Ողջույն, ես Շուշին եմ եւ այսօր մենք խոսելու ենք ընտանիքի մասին. We're learning words for family members. In Armenian culture, families are very important. That's why let's start with the word family itself. And it's ընտանիք. So մենք խոսում ենք ընտանիքի մասին. We're talking about family. Next comes mother. For most of the words, the word mother, mama, is universal. And in Armenian, we also use this word. We say mama. But the formal word mother is slightly different. We have maid or mairik, which is a little cuter version of maid. So, ko maida or maidika or maman kes gyanke gives life to you. We don't say give birth, we say give life. So, komayra kes gyanke talis. The other daddy is papa, and for father we have hayr or hayrik. Actually, I call my father hayrik, and that's not really common in Armenian culture. Most of the people would go with papa. So, mother and father together will be tsanor. We usually use this in the plural, so you say im ծնողները, չգիտեմ, my parents are teachers, im ծնողները ուսուցիչներ են. That's actually not the case, just an example. For grandmother we have tatik, and for grandfather we have papik. So tatik and papik, grandmother and grandfather. We don't have a word for grandparents, so we would just say grandma and grandpa, tatik, papik. Western Armenian has another synonym for grandmother, and that's mamik. So we have three words, tatik or mamik and papik. Let's move to the words for kids. Daughter is duster and forti is son. But Armenian parents usually won't call their kids duster and forti, like daughter and son. They would usually say girl and boy, like girl, achchik, and for boy you have taha. So an Armenian mom might come and say, yes, unnem երկու աղջիկ եւ մեկ տղա. You are supposed to understand this sentence, by the way. I have 2 girls and 1 boy. Lastly, we have sister and brother. Sister in Armenian is kuir or kuidik, and brother is եղբայր, but many Armenians wouldn't say եղբայր, they would just use the more colloquial version of this word, which is ախպեր. So yes, քույր, եղբայր չունեմ. I don't have sister or brother, I don't have siblings. Let's summarize the words that we've learned in this video. So first we had ընտանիք for family. Then we had maid, maidik or mama for mother and mom. Then we had hayr, hayrik or papa for father. Then we had tatik, mamik, papik for grandparents. Then we had vorti, tuster for daughter and son. And then sister and brother was kuir, եղբայր, kuirik, եղբայր. That was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it because I'm a little sick. And also visit our website hayasaschool.com and book your first free trial lesson with me. I'm looking forward to meeting you in person. Bye bye.